Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix after updating Windows 11 update the start menu not opening and the task manager also not opening. Let's fix it guys. For that press in keyboard Control plus Alt plus Delete. Press in keyboard Control plus Alt plus Delete. Click on task manager, open up this page, click on task manager, click on file, click on run new task, type here CMD, click OK, and open up CMD. You just need to check my video description guys for copying this. Just need to copy this and paste it in guys, paste it in the CMD, Control V plus enter. After finishing this command, you just need to close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem will be resolved. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.